All right, what's up, guys? This is Mark Augustine, and if you don't know who I am, I've been drop shipping on eBay since 2011. I've sold over $20 million on 5 different platforms, and in this video, I have Joran. I've had Joran on a couple of different videos. We've been talking about product substitution. The main topic I want to kind of talk to Joran about is maintaining $200 a day profit, right? We showed that getting to $200 a day profit is possible, but I think continuously talking about what it takes to maintain that is interesting, and you guys can learn about it. So like the video, subscribe. Joran, you want, and I'll also put a link to Joran's YouTube channel and his social media in the description. So Joran, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Oh yeah, you don't know me. I'm Joran. I've been dropshipping for over 1 year. I'm only ecom sniper user since or eBay dropshipper since 4 months, 4.5 months. And yeah, I reached €200 a day profit or dollar a day, not euros. In some instances, not consistently, but we're still working on getting there consistently. So this is why we're talking, and we're gonna share what we learn and hopefully make you guys reach the same as we are trying to reach.
Right. So Joran, you want to just share the overview page just so we can show the sales. We don't have to
Yeah.
go through. I don't want to show too much because we talked earlier about people sniping your store. So anyone watching this video, you guys could, whether you're beginning, whether you're part of Ecom Sniper or not, you could really take away from this video on strategy and what it takes to maintain making $6,000 a month. But yeah, you're on. Go ahead. Well, what I see so far, so you sold almost 4,000 in the past 7 days, and you sold almost 20,000 in the past 31 days. Is that correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's what percentage of those sales are product substituted, and what percentage are bulk listed, do you think?
I think it's all by now. It's probably all product substitution. Yeah,
Right.
for
And
sure.
why have you chosen that route to go down? Because the control you have, because why have you chosen to focus more on product substitution?
I mean, it's like I have more control over what I list in a sense. But I think most reason was just because I wanted to be as profitable as I can, right? Bulk listing just wasn't making me enough money.
Right.
So it just didn't work for me as an international seller in the United States. So then product substitution, was the way to go. It's working, right?
Right. And those of you guys watching this video, he's selling on eBay US from the Netherlands. And he has obviously a little more challenges than you guys based in the US. So this is more than possible for someone in the US. And off of that 20,000 sales, what do you think is your profit? What would you guess?
It's probably near 20%, probably, I'd say. Maybe not. I'm not sure. I think last month and this month combined, it would probably be around it's probably going to be around 4K profit, but that's like after
Okay.
all my costs as well. So that's like net profit. Then it's just income tax, right? So that's minus subscription, minus all the other costs regarding that I can just like take off the profit, right? If you would not include that, it's probably like 6,000.
Right.
Just to,
Okay. But the last month, I would guess you would have made somewhere between 3 and 4,000 because in the 30 days, at 20%, you'll be at 4,000. At 10%, you'll be at 2,000.
Yeah,
So
let me just check that. Let me just check that quickly. If I would do the last 30 days from now, 24 to 24, it would be actually it's hard to say really. Net profit, like I said, it would probably be in 30 days. It's net profit 30 days is probably around 3K.
okay. So you add about $100 a day. So you can stop sharing your screen. And so to get to that point, how consistent have you listed? I know you went hard for like a week to 10 days. You got up to making $200 a day. Then what? You stopped for a few days to clean up and you said someone sniped you. So what happened?
I mean, basically what happened, like I had a bunch of like really good selling products, right? And I had some products that were selling really well, but they were like not very good quality or not the quality people expected it to be. And so I got a boatload of returns, and which like obviously it's just like you don't really want to deal with like a whole ton of returns. It just can end up not being healthy for your account, right?
Right.
And so then I decided to remove those items, and I decided to also resolve all my returns, like delete those items as well. And at the same time, during that same time frame, also people like are undercutting my best selling items, right? So like that as long as that keeps happening, I also realize that like I just have to keep listing, you know. And then
Right.
so now I am product substituting like product substituting slash sniping like 33 items a day.
Okay. So it wasn't as ridiculous as before,
Yeah,
where you're doing like
but
100 a day.
yeah, but my like listing views and my like traffic, it's going up, you know, because I'm doing this. So I'm expecting like more sales to come in like the more I do this.
Right. So what would have happened when you got up to the 200 a day, the week or two that you took off listing, you're gonna have those ups and downs if you take the time off. That's pretty much what I'm trying to get at. And I would say you at the point where you're making enough profit that if you hired someone full time to do product substitution, even if they're not as good as you are, it may be beneficial. You know what I mean? So you can consider that to maintain or to drive the account to like more to $6,000 profit. But I still think you don't do anything else, right? Like you're doing this full time right now.
Yeah. I mean, I like being hands-on as well. I think it's not going to be that much of an easy thing to teach someone.
Right.
Especially also with like I can hire someone just for that, right? And I can handle like the customer support, the returns and whatnot. As long as I can do it myself, I think I like that. It doesn't take that much time. I would think,
I always personally prefer to do it myself as well because you get an idea what's working. You get to, you when you're doing the returns and customer service, you know what's not working. So it's more. I know what you mean. It's hard to like let go and the
yeah, yeah.
business run as efficiently as it can.
I think so, yeah. And I think like for now I don't need to do that either. So like
Right.
maybe it will get to a point where like I will really want to because it's just too much, and then I will
Mhm.
do it. But for now I have just one account and I'm busy with opening my second one. So like once it maybe gets to the second or third, and then I will be like I will want that free time, you know, and then I will probably get to the point where I will hire someone. And then by then I have the hope that the software becomes as advanced. I will actually make enough money to like hire to like maybe start an office here in the Netherlands, let's say, right? And then I can hire
Right.
someone here and teach them and and let them work from here. That's kind of my vision because I think the sky is truly the limit when it comes to product substitution, I'm just very
Right.
early stages.
Because you've done it for like not maybe a month, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you can see because I've done videos and I've told a lot of people you could get accounts of six, seven, even maybe $10,000 a month product substitution, and now they're actually doing it. Can you see what I mean?
Yeah, man. Like I think 7,000. Like I think once the software actually has like has it like integrated where it does it for you, you can scale up really quickly if you wanted to. Like then it's more about the matter how fast you want to do it before you can get into troubles with like the amount of volume that you have to like deal with, right? In terms of sales. But
Right, right.
those are luxury problems. So
Right.
I
So I think as two members of Ecom Sniper, we should push, and as the product substitution team, we should push Sammy to do that part of the software faster than everything else.
Man, I'm trying, man. But like, I wanted there to be a weekly meeting that's at a different time because 3 a.m. in the night is just not doable for me. Like,
Right, right.
it's so horrible. And that's
Well,
the only
I'm
time I
gonna
can really
start
get to
weekly
talk to
meetings
Sammy.
with us another group. So maybe we could do that time more where you could join because there's another guy named Cash who's in the UK. He as well finds it hard to join at the 9 o'clock Saturday meetings.
Yeah, yeah. If they would only be even be some. I mean, Sammy said he was gonna look into that too, right? But you don't know how long it's gonna take before something actually changes.
Right.
Or so I mean, yeah, that's where I could really like get push for it, right? Else it's I don't know how to push for it really. So
Okay. So guys, I just like the video, subscribe. I just wanted to do an update video with Joran because we've done a couple videos before. You guys who need any sort of motivation, confirmation this works, that's kind of one of the goals I want to get from here. So if you have any follow-up questions, you could comment. Check out the description for Joran's YouTube channel for any free resources we have. But Joran, thanks for your time, dude. Yeah, I don't want to keep you too long because I know it's kind of late over there and you have things to do. So,
Yeah, thank you, bro.
all right, dude.
Cheers. All right.
All right, later.